Laptop software installation. Step 1. Extract the FlowCell zip file. Step 2. Open Setup 1 and agree to all prompts. Step 3. Open Setup 2 and agree to all prompts. Step 4. The computer will restart and the installation is complete. For more information, visit biocompinstruments.com.